Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're going to act fast. Power off the iPhone and remove any case or cable so you don't push liquid deeper. Next, gently shake the device with the lightning port facing down to expel free droplets. This reduces corrosion risk. Use a soft brush and a microfiber cloth to clear visible residue around the port. Once done, position the phone upright with the port down and place 2 silica packets nearby to start passive drying while you prepare the next steps. Now focus on cleaning the port. Use canned air in short, controlled bursts angled slightly downward so you don't force moisture inward. If debris or mineral deposits persist, very gently dislodge them with a wooden toothpick or nylon pick. Work slowly to prevent bending pins. You can dampen the tip of the pick with a small amount of 90% plus isopropyl alcohol, but do not pour alcohol into the port. The alcohol helps dissolve salt and dries quickly. Make sure to let the port air out thoroughly afterward. Finish by giving the iPhone at least 12-24 hours to dry with silica packets. Avoid hair dryers or ovens because heat can damage components. After drying, power on and test charging with an official lightning cable and adapter. This verifies port contact and battery behavior. If you still see the liquid detected warning or intermittent charging, back up your data and consider professional service or a lightning connector replacement. This addresses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.